Alright, so Leaf Nation Baseball number 10, last box we got.
Tastes like family since forever.
To the people at LBB, I would say thank you. Continue to do what you're doing. You're amazing.
It's a new dawn. It's a new day.
What? It's oat milk? I'm not a monster.
Right, Cello, you got T3. Right, so Ryan Waldschmidt's Blue Lava. Spot Con. So 1 of 3 Cash Mayfield LFG. So clear ice. Spot is 5 of 10. And a Wyatt Sanford purple. Spot Cello. So 3 of 8. Malcolm Moore green shimmer. So 2 of 5. Alejandro Rosario. So silver A spot. Team Bubba Chandler. It's the MILB top 100 orange shimmer. B spot 1 of 4. Little Tyler Bremner orange shimmer. It's a new dawn. T spot cello. So 3 of 4. AJ Garcia pink lava. Dawn blackjack. It's 2 of 6. Oh, Yairo Padilla. It's a new dawn speckle cello. So 15, Braylon Payne, Pink Ice, bonus baby. B spot blackjack. So 1 of 6. Ooh, Travis Bazzana. Nice. Silver Shimmer, Saturday in the Park. Cello. Nice Marcello. So 5 of 15. Closing out with a Charlie Condon. Great box. So purple ice color match. That's pretty. I think it's purple. Purple bluish. Little double C's column. So 1 of 7 Condon.
Number 11 pick in the draft. I really mean it's like if these teams, they could be playoffs, they could be play-in, you just don't know.
A good way to close that out. It's All Nation number 10. Thanks for jumping in, fellas.